Welcome back to my channel. This is coincode. I'm DMO. Do you know you might be sitting on thousands of dollars, even up to $5,000? Now, let me tell you what I meant. When you participate on ICOs and IDOs, either on CoinMarketCap or Airdrops.io or anywhere you partook on any airdrop at all before now, you have to go back to the platform to claim your airdrop after some days or weeks. But unfortunately, you forgot to claim your free money and you couldn't even remember the project anymore. But don't panic, I got you covered. And I'm going to show you a tool that tells you if you have any free money on airdrops. But before I proceed, you need to know that information is power. And on this channel, I cover a lot of straightforward content that will change your life for good. From NFT tutorials to dollar arbitrage to crypto weekly reports and trading tutorials for exchanges and how you can make money online. So make sure you check out this video on how I make 100k in 1 week and this video on how you can make 60,000 naira in 2 days. So make sure you check them out because there are tons of videos that will help you in making money online from this channel. So in that case, like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified when I drop this kind of mind-blowing updates. So now let's move. The tool I will be showing you is called any.fi and the link is on the video description below so that you don't use the wrong link. Meanwhile, you can join our Telegram community to engage with more people and get quick updates. So now let's go into the details of this video. When you click on the link below, it will take you to this section that says find unclaimed airdrops. Now on this empty box, you have to input your Ether address or BSC address. You just have to paste your address, then click on continue. Now if you have any unclaimed airdrop that is linked with your address, it will show up here, you understand? The most interesting thing is that they will show you how to claim this airdrop in an easy step. And also note that you may have expired unclaimed airdrop, so just forget about those ones that have expired and focus on the unclaimed airdrops. Now as you can see, I don't have any unclaimed airdrop at the moment because I just claimed mine. And there might be so many of you guys that have potential unclaimed airdrops, including you watching this video right now. And I am making this short video to show you the tool that lets you know about your unclaimed airdrop. So make sure you check it out and let me know on the comment section if you have claimed yours, you understand? And tell me how much you have claimed so that I will give you a shout out on my next video. If you want to claim this airdrop and you saw a question mark, it means that your airdrop is special and you need to upgrade to the pro version for you to claim it. And if you notice your unclaimed airdrop worth more than $1,000 but you need to upgrade before claiming it, then I think it's good for you to upgrade to the monthly plan because you'll be making your money back. So make sure you check it out with the link below because you might have an unclaimed airdrop that may worth up to $1,000. Now if you have subscribed and you are watching this video, congrats and thank you very much. And if you are just joining, welcome. And the most important thing is for you to watch those 2 videos I mentioned earlier, and all the links are on the video description below. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out when I drop more updates. As this will be it for this video. See you on my next video.